You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious word from medicine, from Greek originally. If you want to learn more medical terms that are confusing, stay tuned, there are more videos for you. Sclerosis is the English pronunciation. 3 syllables, scle, or you can say scle as well. Sclerosis. Sclerosis or sclerosis, similar. How to pronounce in English? Sclerosis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.